bacon going right now. With this bacon, I'm going to add some bell pepper, green and red, onions, salami, and pepperoni. If you guys never had this way before, you should try it. My husband turned me on to it, and now I can't make my baked beans without it. It is so good. The salami and the pepperoni. Okay. That's the bacon grease that y'all see. And I'm going to let this cook into that for a little bit first, before I drain it. Okay. Okay. I drained my oil, my bacon grease. Now we're going to add some molasses, about maybe a cup. I'm using honey mustard. Need about, it's up to you on the measurements. So this one has really no measurements. Okay. Going to use some apple vinegar. Some apple vinegar. Brown sugar. Okay, while that's going, I'm gonna let that get warm up. Okay, there it goes. Now, I was given some baked beans, and I'm going to use those because I don't want these beans to go to waste, these cans. So, I might as well make some, doctor up some baked beans. Okay. And you're going to cook these on low. I'm going to put, not cook them on low, sorry, my bad. I'm going to put these in a pan, and I'm going to throw them in the oven on 350. Let them cook about an hour. Uncover, and you're going to let these go about an hour in the oven. And, hold on. Okay. We're going to take this, come over to your pan, and we're going to pour the beans into your pan. And I'm getting ready to throw these in the oven for 350 for 1 hour. And then when I check it, some of this juice would have cooked itself down. And there we go, my baked beans.